come outside and say, how welcome are you?
So this is Kidcraft Garden View Playhouse and we bought it online. We are super excited to open this and assemble it, and let's see my kids' reaction. They wanted this playhouse from so long, so finally we bought it. And in today's video I'm going to share with you all how to assemble this playhouse, as well as I'm going to do the product review. In today's video I would like to share with you two important updates. Number one is IK Baby is now IK Baby Parenting. So thank you so much for supporting my channel. This channel has grown so much because of your overwhelming support, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. So please keep supporting this channel and share my videos so that we can reach out to even more parents. So help me to reach to 100,000 subscribers so we can grow this IK Baby Parenting community even more. Thanks for being part of IK Baby Parenting community. Number two update is comments are turned on for my channel, so now you can ask questions, queries, provide me feedback, as well as provide me your suggestions, or if you want me to make a video on a particular topic, let me also know that. I would like to read your feedback, your questions, your queries, and try to answer them with the best of my abilities. So please follow YouTube commenting guideline while commenting. So let's get started with the video. So let's check out how to assemble Kidcraft Garden View Outdoor Playhouse step by step. So this is what came in the box. It has front door, additional parts for assembly, playhouse walls, roof, playhouse accessories, screws. By looking at these screws, I guess we are going to take a long time to assemble it, but let's figure it out how much time it takes to assemble. And it has instruction manual, so we are going to follow the instruction given in this manual, and we're going to assemble this. When you open the box, this wood has the distinct smell. It may be varnish smell, and I guess it will go away within a few days. So this is wooden walls, and it's very sturdy, as well as it is lightweight. And the roof is the plastic one. It's very lightweight, so it was easy to move from one place to another place. So let's get started and assemble this playhouse. So before starting with the assembly, I would like to share with you a few points. Number one, for this assembly you will need two people. It will take 3 to 5 hours to assemble this product, so make sure that you have that much time when you start with the assembly. Number three is that you will need a drilling machine for this assembly. And number four, before starting your assembly, make sure that you have all the parts in the package. So if you have any missing part, then you can request the same within the 90 days of your purchase. So let's get started with the assembly. Open folded playhouse wall panels, they are already attached to one another. Do this assembly wherever you want to place a playhouse, because once it's assembled it won't be easy to move. Next, these are rectangle wood blocks. It's number 2. You need to attach these at the bottom and in the middle of the panels for support, like this. In the hardware packet, they have given an attachment for drill. So this is F. It's easy to attach and use. These screws have names written on the top, so I will use those names when referring to them. Now it's time to attach a wood block with the help of a driller. For this you will need 4 B screws. After installing all the 4 wood blocks on 4 sides, next to secure the playhouse they have given these wooden planks. You need to attach these on the corner of the 2 cafe windows. It's number 3. You will need 6 B screws for this. 2 screws at the top, 2 in the middle and 2 in the bottom. They have given the hole in the plank, so you just need to screw and attach these to the playhouse. So one plank you need to attach on the right side and one on the left side. Similarly, attach 2 more wooden planks on the other side of the playhouse. It will be besides 2 arched windows, one on the left side and other on the right side. For this, you will need 6 B screws for each plank. Going back to 2 cafe side windows, and next we are going to attach this 4 number wooden plank at the top like this. This time you will need 4 A screws. For this, you will need 2 people for support. Next step is to install number 4 wood plank at the top of 2 arched windows like this. For this also you will need 4 A screws. Next step is to install number 5 wood plank at the top and in the middle of where the playhouse main door is. For this you will need 4 A screws. Another number 5 wood plank you need to attach on the exact opposite side in the same way from inside where there is one cafe window like this. You will need 4 A screws for this. Next you will need to attach number 13 hinges to the playhouse like this. For that you will need to measure. In the instruction manual they have given the measurement. From the top leave 17 cm space and from the bottom 14 cm. For this you will need 3 D screws. After installing both hinges to the playhouse, now you need to attach this plastic stopper at the bottom of the door, leaving 1 cm space from the right side of the door. For this you will need 1 D screw. Next step is to attach a doorbell. For this you will need 2 AAA batteries. We have added new batteries. Insert a doorbell from inside the playhouse like this. For this you will need 2 A screws. After that, install this plastic cover for the doorbell from outside. For this you will need 2 D screws. Next step is to install a door magnet. For that you will need number 7 wood block and 14 A door magnet. First you need to attach a door magnet to wood block number 7. For that you will need 2 A screws. Next step is to attach this wood block from inside, leaving 46 cm from the top. For this you will need 2 C screws. Attach a magnet plate to the door. This is 14B which is attached to 14A. For this you will need 2 D screws. This will help the door to remain closed. Next step is to install the door handle from inside and outside. For installing the door handle they have given measurement. Leave 2.5 cm and install the door handle. For this you will need 2 D screws. After installing, check if it is installed properly or not. Next step is to install a cafe wood plank number 8 where there are 2 cafe windows. For installing this you will need 4 B screws. Next, for the support they have given these wooden cordon blocks number 9. Attach them under the wood plank, one on the left side and one on the right side. Leave some space and then install. For this you will need 2 B screws. Install the screws in horizontal and vertical direction. Next step is to install a number 10 wooden plank where there is one cafe window. In the similar way you install the other wooden plank. For this you will need B screws. Then install number 9 wood corner block. Attach them in the similar way as we did it previously. For this you will need 2 B screws for each side. After this, install hanging planter box. For this you will need someone's support. For this you will need 2 D screws. Next step is to install a cafe canopy which is number 11. For this you will need other person's support. You will need to insert a rod after this, so check before installing the canopy properly. Place the canopy on the top like this and install the screws under. For this you will need 6 D screws. Then insert a number 12 rod inside the canopy and secure it with the 2 D screws, one on the left side and one on the right side. Now the next step is to assemble the mailbox before installing. Assembly is very easy. Just insert the mailbox panel, then insert the mailbox door and then insert another panel. You will hear a tuck noise. Lastly, secure it with screws. For this you will need 2 screws. They haven't mentioned which screws in the instruction manual. Next, install the mailbox flag. Then attach a mailbox to the playhouse with the 2 D screws on the top and 3D screws at the bottom. Next step is to install a phone placeholder just above the door magnet. Leave 28 cm space from the top and then install it. For this you will need 2 D screws. Next step is to install a roof. Open it first. For this you will need 2 people. It's little bit heavy. You need 4 C screws, 2 on one side and 2 on other side. Insert them straight from the top. Install 5 D screws to attach the roof from inside on the both sides of window panel. Then install 4 E screws from inside to the roof. While doing this, push the roof from the above. So finally, the assembly is done and a beautiful KidCraft Garden View outdoor playhouse is ready. Let me walk you through its features again. So this KidCraft Garden View outdoor playhouse includes beautiful wooden wall, textured plastic roof, 3 arched plastic windows, 2 upper window, 2 cafe counters, working doorbell, door, mailbox, two chalkboards and movable wall clock. One is inside and another is outside. Planter tray, cafe style striped green and white canopy, and phone. It took us 3 to 4 hours to build this playhouse. We took few breaks in between, but the end result is worth it. So overall, I like this product. We are so happy that we bought this playhouse for our kids. They are so happy every day. Most of the time, they are there inside playing, and we all also enjoy the same because adults can also fit inside the playhouse. That's a great thing because that brings us our childhood memories. So we relive those memories inside that playhouse. So it's been a week that we are using that playhouse. So we pretend play that my kids are running the cafe and we are the customers. So we are enjoying that playhouse a lot. So it's worth buying. I would recommend you to buy it for your backyard. So if you'd like to buy the one, then I mentioned the link for the same in the description box below. Initially this playhouse had a weird smell to it, but it's gone within a few hours, so nothing to worry about it. So if you have any childhood memories associated with the playhouse, then let me know that in comments down below. I would love to read it. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, then hit that like button. Share this video with your family and friends and help IKBaby Parenting to reach out to 100,000 subscribers. We have come together so far. Please help and support IKBaby Parenting to grow even more. Currently there are many things going on associated with the IKBaby Parenting channel and business related stuff, which I would like to share with you soon. Because of which I'm not been able to post consistently, but I'm trying my best to get back on track. So please consider me and continue supporting my channel. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, ciao.